Alright everyone, welcome back. Thanks for stopping by, I appreciate it. As you can see here, we got some lights hung. I got those hung. I got some more on the other side as well. So I did a little bit of everything today, hanging lights. So my coworker helped prep some of these for me. And then I went around and hung them and then installed the whips into the box. Got those zip tied up nice and tidy. Then also, if you see that, pulled the wire as well. So did some piping, did some wire pulling, and also hung some lights. So I got these 3 lights hung right here. Got pretty much all the wire pulled so far for all the pipe that I've hung. Still have to do some more pipe, so I'll have to pull some more wire later. So anyways, wire everywhere. So I just pulled everything except the home runs back into the panel because they're just stubbed into the electrical room right now. So those are not ready to get wire into the electrical room yet until they're piped into the panels or whatnot where they go. So these are the 5 lights I got hung. As you know, I still got 2 more boxes down here for the HVAC. I got the wire coil right there for the 2 stub into the light box, which is shared with the HVAC box. So these are where we started right here for the home runs. So got that one there, and then over to here. So this is the circuitry that we piped out for. So HVAC in this one, lighting in that one. So this one, the lighting is by itself, and there's 2 HVACs in there. So each box is an HVAC location. So we got 2 circuits in there, and they're going to be 208. So I don't remember the numbers. I think it's 43, 45, and 47, 49. So one circuit will have like 3 to 5, and the other circuit will have 5 units on it. So that's how that's running. And then each spot for the light boxes is where the lights will be going as well, for the most part. This one is basically just a junction box to send the light to the right. But for the most part, the lights are the same. There's a dot on the floor where the lights go. And so there's basically a box above each light. So I'll show you where I got down here with the piping as well. So started, I think it was right here with the pipes today. Basically ended off right here yesterday with the pipes. I can't really see it, so now maybe it's the other side. Anyways, I don't remember. I think it was like right here. Ended the pipes right here somewhere, and then got these last boxes piped in. So you got that one, and then this one's got to get piped back and into this room over here. So still got to pipe that one. Lighting HVAC. So the lighting, like I said, has got the 1 wire, red, white, and green, and then the HVAC has the blue and red and the black and blue in the ground. So still have to do some more HVAC down here as well. So didn't get this wire pulled in, and that wire is done right there. So basically just 2 more wire pulls, I think. And then this pipe isn't finished yet right here, which ends right here, which needs to turn right and into this area over here above this room right here. So that's what we got going on there. So a little bit more piping and some more wire pulling, and then I'm not sure what we'll be doing. So maybe some work in the electrical room, I'm not sure. Maybe someone else will be doing that, but thanks for watching, guys. That should wrap up today's video. Much better. Not really many problems today besides cutting my hand several times. Just pulling wire. So that's not going to focus on itself. So getting some cuts from the boxes. So anyways, other than that, it was really good. And 9-hour day, so it went by nice and fast. Luckily, just pulling wire, that was nice. So hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Let's try to get this video 30 likes. That's all I ask. I appreciate everyone for the support and watching. And if you like the video, make sure to subscribe. See you guys back here tomorrow. check the description for anything else, and hit the notification bell. You want to be notified when I upload videos or do live streams. Thanks, guys. God bless. See you tomorrow. Peace out.